I was looking at this bumper the other day, and it's like, that thing is bent down a bit, and I measured the other side. This is actually the driver's side, and I measured the passenger side, and that was 1.25 inches, and this is, depending on where you measured at, about 1.75 inches. So it's bent down about 1/2 inch. So I'm going to do is see if I can bend this bumper up. And I put a bottle jack up on 3 2x4s, and I've screwed, there's an adjustment on the top of it, I'll show that. And I've extended that all the way out because there's this piece of plastic down here. And I'm going to go down underneath and look at that and show you how that's set up. So I'm down underneath here, and here's the metal part of the bumper, the plastic down below here. I've got that snugged up, so now I'm going to start jacking this up. Just going really slow. I'm going to check up on top. Oh, with that jacked up, I've got a little bit under, about 7/8, 15/16 now. It's gone up over 1/2 inch. So I'm going to lower that down and see if that, and generally with steel I've found that I usually need to overbend it because it'll spring back. That moved quite a bit. Yeah, it's about 1.5 inches now, so I actually moved it about 1/4. I'm going to jack it back up, maybe go a little bit further, and see if I can't get that up to about 1.25 inches. I've jacked this up so it's almost touching the fender, and I'm going to actually just leave it there for, we'll see, an hour or two, and then come back, jack it down, and see if that's moved. I let that sit for about 1 hour and 15 minutes all the way up, and let's check it here. 1.25 inches, right on the money. And I jacked it up, let it down, jacked it up, let it down twice, just not going crazy, just moving it slow. And check this now, and it's just it's pretty much right on the money, about 1.25 inches. Oh, it's just these little details make a big difference on things. So be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.